Hey guys, it's Luana with Arbor Real Estate Group. I am standing here in front of this beautiful new construction home in League City. The neighborhood is called Legacy, and it is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom new construction home here in League City area. Beautiful CCISD. I sure picked a heck of a day to record because there are landscapers on like 3 neighbors. So bear with me, it's going to be loud, but also it's a beautiful home, so it's worth sticking around. I'm going to show you the whole house, including the backyard, beautiful new closet system that they're offering here, and we'll take a look at the incentives that they're offering as well. Let's go take a look. So we are here in Legacy, new home construction here in League City, zoned to ZCISD, and this is going to be the Village Builders Post Oak floor plan. As I mentioned before, it is going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom, and it's a 2-story home. I want to show you the hallway here is extremely wide, and it goes straight here into the living room. You're going to have your garage immediately to the right here. Beautiful tankless hot water heater, some extra storage here. So those are the hurricane shutters I always mention. I love how easy they are to install. On my 1-story house, I'm able to do it all by myself in less than an hour, get boarded up for the hurricane season. Your standard garage. Going back out to the main house. All right, here we are. And to the left, you're going to have a full-size bedroom and bathroom plus a half bath. So you have this beautiful ensuite, perfect for a guest room, or if you have in-laws staying here, somebody who cannot go up and down the stairs easily, you're going to have a full bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs, making it easy for people to stay the night. And that's in addition to the 2 bedrooms and bathroom upstairs. Again, you're going to have your entertainment hub here. I know we talked about this before, but I mention it again. It's wonderful because you don't have to worry about all these ugly cords being outside of your house. It's all inside the walls under your sheetrock hidden, and they have one hub right there, and anybody who you hire to come out, they just connect right there and turn everything on. So it's beautiful. No ugly cords around your house. So this is a beautiful sized room, tall ceilings. I mean, I don't know for sure, but I want to say 11 foot. I mean, they are ginormous. And so this bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom here. Perfect for privacy. Now you also have a linen closet back here. So tons of storage in here. You also have 2 cute little drawers. I don't know about you, but for me, this is a big deal. I can't ever have too many drawers in my bathroom. And that's the bathroom here is inside of that bedroom, private, and then you still have a half bath out here for your guests. So you don't have to worry about your guest going inside of a bedroom to get to the bathroom, which is nice. And then you have your coat closet right here off the front as well. So going back to this main hallway here, there's your front door, there's your garage entrance. Immediately to the left is your kitchen, living, and dining. And then here's where we just came from, which is going to be your ensuite room and half bath. And then there's your front door again. So right here, you're going to have your study, which is very nice. You can also open it up if you wanted a formal dining room. You could definitely use it for that. I feel like studies are used more in today's culture than formal dining rooms. And you have your laundry room. Again, this one's going to attach to your primary closet. We'll go in there in just a little bit. But you have your nice laundry room there. You have another coat closet, huge amounts of storage. All your Christmas gear and everything can fit in here. I don't know what you would use this little space for, but it's there. And then you have your beautiful set of stairs. Nice, big, huge living room. Look at those ginormous ceilings. Huge vaulted ceilings. Beautiful kitchen. Perfect for entertaining. Look at how open this is. I mean, I'm standing in the living room here, and you have your breakfast bar here. Look at this overhang. You have enough room here for probably 4 or 5 people to sit comfortably. And then right next to it, you have your dining room area. And everything's wide open here to your living room. And then you have upstairs. We'll go up there in a little bit. Look at these cabinets. So many cabinets. So this backsplash is really pretty. You have lots of different colors, variations. Some are going to have a shine to them. Some are going to be flat, just giving some dimension. You have a beautiful stove here. Nice big oven. Vent hood, built-in microwave. Let's take a look at this. So much space. Now I feel like they should put more shelves, but if this were my house, I would definitely add more shelves up there so that I can put my once a year kitchen stuff, like holiday kitchen stuff up there. But I mean, this is just so much space. Beautiful for entertaining. Let's go take a look at the primary. Nice big room. It's a very good rectangle shaped. I'm gonna upload the floor plan here so you guys can see exactly how big each room is. But I mean, this is big. I don't know if you can tell how big it is just from me standing here, but I mean, if I had to guess, I would say 12 by 14 or 12 by 15. Big. Nice sized yard too. We'll go out there in a little bit, but look at that. Big sized yard. Let's go take a look at the primary bath. I love the standalone tub. I just want to jump in there. Don't worry, I won't, but I definitely want to. So you're going to have your double vanity here, tons of storage. Look at those drawers. Nice big mirror, huge walk-in shower. I love that the tile goes all the way up. Nice little finishes like that make a difference. You also have the tile backsplash around here, just in case you make a mess. Over here, you're gonna have your water closet with a private door. Again, big, huge, tall ceilings. And then you have your linen closet. Look at how deep that is. You could totally put your dirty clothes hamper. You don't have to have it out, visible. And look at this closet. Now they just started doing this new closet system. It's so much better than their other closets were. Look at that. You have tons of hanging space, tons of folding space, shoe racks. I don't know who that would satisfy. I mean, that would get like 1/10 of my shoes. Look at that. Extra hanging. Pick out your clothes the night before, hang it on that. Love it. So much space. And then it's connected to the laundry room. That's one of my favorite new features. I know it's not new, but it's new to me. And then this takes you back out to the house again. Right to the main entrance. I just got my finger. Sorry about that. Let's go up and take a look. So here we are. This is the game room upstairs. There's the entryway. Look at how big this room is. Seriously, that's huge. View of the living room, kitchen and dining room. Get you a better view over here. Beautiful. So downstairs you have 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and the guest half bath. And up here you have 2 full bedrooms and 1 bath shared by a Jack and Jill bathroom. So look here. You're going to have your vanity and your mirror separated by a door. And then in here, you're going to have your shower, tub, toilet, extra shelves for more linen, another door, and then the second vanity. So it's going to be a shared bathroom, but really so much privacy still. More than one person can get ready at the same time. Beautiful upgrade. I'll show you this bedroom and then go back and show you the other one. Again, very good size room. I know it's empty, no furniture, so it's hard to tell, but this is a very good size room. You can hear the landscapers out there. I don't know if you guys can, but they were ruining my videos. Good size closet. Lots of long hanging clothes there. All right, let's go back through the Jack and Jill again to the other bedroom I haven't shown you yet. Again, nice little upgrade here. Another vanity, and then here's the other bedroom. So let's go take a look. So that door just takes you to the attic space, which is good for like the AC guy to get in there and work on the AC or something like that, duct work. Another good size room. And then this closet's good as well. Decent size. Again, there's the front entryway here. Put a Christmas tree there. And then the entertaining areas. So what I love about this builder is the incentives that they're offering on their inventory homes. They have a fixed rate and an ARM rate starting at 3.5, 3.375, and 4.25, depending on which one's best for you in your situation and also which one you qualify for. But what I love about it is I was able to get a client into a house recently, and because of those special interest rates, he was able to buy a house that was priced at about $80,000 more than the resale we were looking at because of those interest rates. That's how much an interest rate changes your monthly payment, guys. So he was able to buy something about $80,000 more. His payment's lower. It's brand new. He doesn't have to worry about maintenance for a very long time. The other house needed a new AC and some roof work. He doesn't have to worry about that. So I'm going to upload some of their incentives here under the description so that you guys can click on it. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm happy to help. But this is a very good sized backyard. Oak tree back there. And then of course I'm standing on the back patio. I know you can't tell how big it is, but it's very nice. Tall ceilings. That is pre-blocked for a ceiling fan if you want hot air to be blown on you. It's so hot here in Texas. My phone was actually overheating earlier, guys. I had to keep it in the air conditioner in the car for a little while just to get it to work again. So it's a beautiful home. And there's another one coming in 2 days, so keep watching.